Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the universe and the solar system, which is in the 6th standard social science, universe and the solar system, geography part, lesson 1. Uranus, the somersaulting planet. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. It was the first to be discovered with a telescope by the astronomer William Herschel in 1781. It appears green due to the presence of methane. It is named after the Greek god of the sky. It rotates on its axis from east to west, like Venus. Its axis is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the sun on its sides like a rolling ball. Uranus has 27 natural satellites, of which Titania is the largest. So, it is considered to be somersaulting planet. Neptune, coldest planet. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest planet from the sun. There are strong winds in this planet. It is named after the Roman god of sea. Neptune has 14 natural satellites, the largest being Triton, because of its distance from the sun. Neptune is one of the coldest planet in the solar system. The striking blue and white features of Neptune help to distinguish it from Uranus. The dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. They are extremely cold and dark. They are almost spherical in shape, but unlike planets, they can share their orbit with other dwarf planets. The 5 dwarf planets of the solar system are Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. The Moon, Earth's satellite. Satellites are celestial objects which revolve around the planets. The Moon is the Earth's only satellite. It revolves around the Earth once every 27 days and 8 hours. It takes about the same time for it to complete one rotation around its axis. It has no atmosphere. The surface of the Moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteors. The distance between the Moon and the Earth is about 384,400 kilometers. The size of the Moon is 1/4 of the Earth. The Moon is the only celestial body where humans have landed. Thank you.